The poem Tall Trees by Eileen Mathias beautifully describes the greatness and usefulness of tall trees in nature. The poet says that the trees stand firmly on the earth while their tops reach high into the sky. They silently watch the clouds passing by. During the evening, when birds return home to rest, the tall trees give them shelter and safety in their nests. At night, the trees stand quietly under the moonlight while the whole world sleeps peacefully. The poem highlights the beauty, calmness, and importance of trees in protecting birds and making nature peaceful. It also shows how trees are silent guardians of nature.